Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DMR network token. Name of the token is DEMR space network and ticker symbol is just DMR. This token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting exactly March 18th at 11 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. Now we're going to talk about a couple different ways to get this token because Gate is not available in everybody's country. So we'll go over a few different ways that you can get this token. If you don't have Gate, just stay tuned. So basically, all you'd have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search DMR on March 18th and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token is on the Solana blockchain, and I was just trying to find a pool here on Radium. Looks like it's not even available yet on Radium, but when this token, does launch on March 18th on Gate, most likely around the same time, it's going to be listed on Radium, Jupiter, Orca, these decentralized exchanges for Solana. So you can follow their Twitter, actually, and find announcements here. First of all, their webpage is demr.xyz. They also have a Gitbook at demr.gitbook.io. Over there, you're going to find all of their socials, document section, all that type of stuff there. There's a minting dApp on their webpage. And then their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual. When I find it here, give me a second here. It is at DEMR_official. So if you follow that Twitter there, most likely they're going to let you know like when the Radium pool is filled or Jupiter pool or other central exchange listings. So when it gets the Radium pool gets filled, you could get a wallet like a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any one of these wallets. Fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Radium, and then trade your Sol for, that sounds crazy. Trade your Sol for the DMR token using that contract address that you can find on their official webpage, demr.xyz. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. But yeah, just follow their Twitter and they'll announce other listings like decentralized and centralized exchange listings. So if Gate's not available in your area, just wait for Radium. So DMR is a decentralized mixed reality. That's what the MR stands for, mixed reality infrastructure network. So it is MRDPIN. Built on the Solana chain. Users can engage in constructing MR spatial scenes, building infrastructure, and providing services for massive MR applications through a decentralized distributed concurrency architecture to Web3 infrastructure accessible to global users. Leveraging MR and AI, artificial intelligence, spatial computing technology, DMR aims to achieve complete interconnection and decentralization of the MR application system, fostering a virtual real symbiosis scenarios. The digital world created by MR and AI spatial computing technology enables individuals to immerse themselves in a beautiful new realm of spatial interconnection and symbiosis of reality and virtual reality anytime, anywhere. There is a max total supply of 100 billion tokens. 3% of those tokens go to airdrop, 5% liquidity, 12% investors, 10% founding team, 2% marketing, 8% infrastructure development, 20% treasury, 40% mining pool. So yeah, mixed reality infrastructure. So you can collaborate with DMR network to shape the MR world. So they have land holders. You can own the DMR's land and gain from the land. There's contributors. So decentralized contributing, reviews, annotate and validate to earn. They also have the Eco MR dApps. So you can construct MR spatial internet dApps by using DMR, and computing nodes. Supply computing and storage units to reconstruct the high-quality global 3D world. So there's the DMR NFTs. You can click on contributor node, land holder, or contributor, and there's all sorts of NFTs. So for contributors, there's the Compass NFT. Compass is the core NFT in DMR, which is the necessary identification for contributors who can participate in the construction of DMR infrastructure network and receive DMR token rewards. Compass NFTs will be limited and released in stages on the official website, which is DEMR.xyz. And so the holding equity for the Compass NFT equals token airdrops, staking, and contribute to earn. Now the computing node, node license NFT, DMR construction requires spatial computation, real-time perception, and interactive rendering, necessitating numerous computing and storage units. To become a DMR computing node, computing suppliers must hold the node license NFT, which will be a limited release in stages on the official website, and holding equity for the node license NFT is token airdrop, staking, and compute to earn. And lastly, the land NFT to become a land holder. DMR land NFTs symbolize Web3 spatial internet infrastructure rights and real-world scarce asset serving as a potential business right for the future MR content ecosystem development. And holding equity for this is token airdrops and land equity, and it says coming soon. So go check this out. You can check out their full document section, DEMR.gitbook.io. That's going to have tons of info on it if you want to learn more. You can find this token on SoulScan, but it's not available on Radium just yet. You'll have to wait until their listing date when it gets listed on Gate, and around the same time it'll probably get listed on Radium, and that will be March 18th. So stay tuned for that. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.